Encik Izami for offering me the opportunity to share my personal miracle experience using Redox Go. I cuba to mix a bit of Malay and English over here.
Boleh, boleh.
Yeah, I got to introduce to Redox Go by brother Clinton about 3-4 weeks ago. Sebelum was officially launched in Malaysia, and immediately I sapu kat my bahu because kita kerja biasanya bahu tension akan sakit, it's a bit sore. So immediately I felt the relief. And from there I said, wow, this is really a great product because I know many people are suffering in silence. So after that, dia beritahu saya this product will be officially launched in Malaysia on the 1st of March. So I pergilah, went for the launching session, and at that time I did not have a very good sleep the night before. So and sorry, just a minute. Yes, and I told Clinton I'm not feeling so well, a bit headache, and he had a tube of the Redox Go with him. So immediately dia bagi I sapu, and wow, just within a minute my headache gone. So I was so excited to get the whole set of my products that I bought the night before. And the minute I balik rumah, I terus bagi one whole new tube to my mom. I took kat dekat dia. And my mom initially pun skeptical lah sebab dia sudah cuba banyak products and everything. But she said, dah, dia tak mau guna, dia tak nak I bazir wang and things like that. But I told her, no, mom, you just use it. I heard very great testimony about these products. Just use it. So basically, my mom, they are the osteoarthritis, and she's already 76 this year, 78, 77, sorry, going to be 77 this year. So, and she has knee problem, leg problem for many, many years. Dia pun ambil lah all kinds of ubat for the leg, pays all the Salon Plus lah bila sakit and everything. And the problem never solved. It's just a temporary release saja untuk dia. So initially my mom didn't use, but then one day, I think early this week, dia teringat dia ada tube ni kat rumah. So she took it out and she used. And the next day dia share dengan I. She said, I've been using this every night she needs to wear socks to sleep. If not, the next morning dia kena, the cold air in the early morning, leg dia akan cramp. So she has to wear socks to sleep. And then when she told me early this week, dia kata, I don't need to wear socks to sleep already. Even she felt the cramp was about to start, it did not. So she has been diligently applying it. And then my dad also last week, he kind of like got a knock on his knee. So when I saw it, he showed it to me. So the knock, right, the bump too is almost 1 centimeter high. And I was like, wow, I got a shock to see the bump, Then I immediately took out the Redox Go and applied on his leg. Less than a minute, he told me, I felt the relief on the knee there. So at night, he showed me again his knee's condition. And I was surprised. The swollenness actually dropped by 50%. So I said, okay, you just continue applying a day and night with that. And again, my dad pun 78 dah. Also, of late pun sudah tua, they cannot really walk. My mom loves shopping. Sebab kaki sakit, tak boleh jalan lama. So in my heart, dah lama dah I ask God, God, is there something I can give to my parents to help them with their legs over here? So that their legs can become stronger, they can, enjoy going out with us, shopping and things like that. Boleh jalan lama. So really thank God for this miracle product. And personally for me, I'm 45 this year. I have knee issue. I think most people yang selalu duduk, tak berapa bergerak ataupun tak berapa exercise, kita akan sakit sini, sakit sana. My worst is actually my knee. I try exercising, but because of my weak knee, I don't have the motivation to exercise. Especially nak buat squat lah, lunge lah, I paling benci dia. But then, after using Redox Go for about, I think almost last 1 week like this, I realized I could walk longer because last year, middle of the year, I set my goal. I want to walk 5,000 steps a day so that I can achieve back walking 10,000 steps a day because that's the recommended exercise per day. So for 6 months, I only can walk the maximum 7,000 steps per day. And even if I walk under 10,000 steps, oh, at the end of the day, the leg is like jelly already. So, but without school, I found out, hey, my legs are lighter. I could walk longer. This week, I achieved an average of 8,000 steps per day.
Ah,
Yeah. And and I even after work today, I was walking from ground floor all the way to the 10th floor of my unit condominium without feeling the pain. Even I stop at the 7th floor aja. That was like, wow, it's really, really a breakthrough for me because last time, 1 floor, 2 floor, tak boleh dah. Kaki kena rehat dah. But this one, I could walk onto the 7th floor only. I felt, okay, it's a bit tired. I rest for a while and I continue up to the 10th floor. So it's not once this week, but I did it twice already. So, and I started also even doing a squat challenge myself because I want to see how my knee is going. Because I remember I started the squat challenge on the 2nd of March, a Sunday. I did 10 squat aja. Boleh dengar the knee tu ngek-ngek-ngek. You know. And of late now, that sound is getting softer and softer. I can feel my knee is getting stronger because my husband said, cuti raya nanti kita tak pergi mana dah, dia nak pergi hiking, you know. So nak, and I want to, I want to build back that stamina and enjoy hiking. So lama tak pergi hiking. I love nature. So I'm really thankful to Brother Clinton and everyone in Asia team over here for sharing your miracle and also encourage and inspire me to actually try my own experience in it. So thank you very much.
thank you so much,